morning, guys. Good morning. It is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday to everybody. It's almost 8 o'clock. Got a couple service calls today and some routine maintenances. So it's gonna be kind of a long day today, from what I've seen so far. So we're gonna have a couple calls, and more calls will come in this afternoon, obviously. So yeah, we'll play it how it goes. So I will see you guys at the first call. I may or may not have my helper today. We'll see how the day goes, but I'll see you guys at the first call. Hey sir, how's it going?
Hey, good. I was just getting ready to do a service call myself. So.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I service automotive equipment.
I got
headed
you.
to Ford and right after you called.
I got you.
Of course I didn't.
All right.
Take a survey today.
So, I seen on the ticket there was an issue or something with the contactor before.
Yeah, I didn't have an issue with the contactor.
Okay.
I ordered one online, thinking I had an emergency. I put in, but I'd rather have you guys do it as well as check it out. So the contactor had been sticking. All the power's off right now.
Okay.
So if you want to hear what the motor sounds like before you do anything, but as far as I'm concerned, put a contactor in first, because I know it needs that.
Has the panel been off for a while, or did you take it off today?
It's been off a couple days because I had trouble with the contactor. The house was still cold, so I don't know if it just happened to wake me up, because if I hear a strange noise, I'm not.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah. On the ground. Well, actually, it's not that but kind of strange because what we'll do here on these, yeah, these are emergency contact. I think that I won't emergency but think about I got you. Yeah, using hammers. Alright, bring me. What? What idea? This, but also, I don't think it's a good idea. Yeah.
You know what? It used to all the time, and then if we had a lot of years where it didn't do that afternoon rain. Now it's
Really?
starting to do it again.
Yeah, I feel like last year it didn't rain as much.
Yeah.
Like,
It's been, we first moved, it was about 40 years ago. And you could count on 2 to 3 o'clock afternoon rain.
really?
Every day.
Yeah.
Every day in the summer. And it kind of changed pattern. Now it's kind of working back good. It feels like it.
There you go.
That was actually sick. You did a good job there. I think the unit's in the attic. Sorry guys. So you got metal pipe. No, you said where?
See, there's a little bit drop.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. So go up there. Yeah, see what alright, so we're gonna go up to the attic and we're gonna crawl over here to that duct and we're gonna see if there's any insulation missing around it that would cause it to sweat. Because obviously when it's hot up there,
Yeah.
cold air is gonna make it sweat, you know what I mean?
Right.
So when there's no insulation wrapped around it, that cold air, that condensation, builds up water, and then that water is what you're seeing usually here. So we'll see if that's intact perfectly okay, and then we'll get that sealed up for you as well, alright?
Okay.
Now, and you gotta, okay. So, we're gonna need the ladder. Ooh, what the heck?
What's that white stuff up there?
I just did, that's mastic.
That's mastic?
That's mastic. It is. That's all mastic, dude.
Wow.
Oh yeah, and look right there. To the right of that.
Is that
All that- Yeah, bare. Completely bare. I don't know if the cameras can see that, guys, but it's super bare. Super bare. Right there. That shouldn't be like that. So, yeah, they're definitely, and all this air up here, there's definitely a leakage somewhere.
There should not be this much air.
Feels great.
Above your head, huh? Look at that.
So,
Oh, mama.
it's coming from over there. I'm almost
I want
wondering,
to pinpoint it.
is
See, we put
it,
some silver tape on it or something.
it's gotta be coming from underneath. No, it might be coming from
Hey, is
underneath.
this coming from like... Is that literally just coming like a gust of wind coming up the ladder?
That or it's coming from the soffits. I don't
So
know
that's not even
why.
coming from the ductwork.
But over there, it's all wet.
Where?
Like if you look over here, I don't know if the camera, if you guys can see this, but from where we're looking, this right here, I don't know if the camera can pick up on it, but there's like, yeah, insulation is degrading all over that box. There's a metal plenum over there. You see it?
Actually,
So, yeah, there's a lot of bare ductwork, man. That's coming from the ladder.
didn't even peel off the...
Alright, so there's some bare spots for sure. So,
You getting down?
yeah.
I'm gonna go check that out.
You want
Let
to
me
crawl?
get the yard.
You're gonna crawl over there?
Yeah.
Alright, if you find something, take a picture. Let me know. I'm gonna go let her know that we can see.
Well, we can't let her know that because we don't even know what we need to do. Can't just tell her she needs all new ductwork.
I mean,
Okay.
there's a lot of duct leakage up there for sure. He's crawling around up there taking videos and pictures of everything. But pretty much the ducts, there's this metal piping, and around it there's insulation. Most of that insulation's gone on the far side of the duct. So this vent here, insulation's gone, and that's what's causing that. When it gets cold on that metal, it's just sweating, and that sweat's building up on there. So my recommendation is go and get a quote for what it's going to be to reduct. Get a reduct, obviously, because soon she's going to end up losing airflow to certain parts. Luckily,
it's not running efficiently.
Yeah. Oh yeah. 100%. Yeah. You know. Already.
And so.
Do our little routine here. The unit is off, which is nice. Wish I could. Open up this disconnect really quick.
There you go.
What the? Jesus. Oh, yeah. I got this. Yeah. Oh, shit. Okay. Do that one. That's not right. That's funny. Capacitors literally inside the unit. Yeah. No voltage. As fast as possible. But we got common. And we were reading 35, 44. Not getting a good, strong, accurate reading. 45. I'm sure it's probably 45. 45.35. So, this is a 45 capacitor. So, we're getting the correct reading, which is good. So we're gonna go ahead and go grab I don't think it's in my bag. Alright, so just take this brush and brush everything off in here. Get it on there good. Hold on, give me 1 second. How are you doing with that? You got me a second here.
Guys, so that's gonna do it for today. Not really terribly. We were a lot more busy today than we were yesterday for sure. But I did have some help today. Tyler was with me, as you guys can see. So he enjoyed actually being on the vlog, which is really nice. I wasn't sure if he was really gonna enjoy that, but he had fun with it. So yeah, so definitely gonna continue to get going. Crazy day today, man. We had one real service call. Turning from a service call to an estimate. So we'll hope we, get them a new unit, and it sucks when you gotta tell somebody they need a new unit, but nothing you can do about it. So getting them a new unit, and we'll go from there. It was kind of interesting. The customer tried to diagnose the problem himself, and you guys kind of seen where that went. So Anyways, I appreciate y'all watching the video and staying to the very end. You guys are awesome, amazing again. You know, I appreciate y'all, every single one of y'all, and I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and see you guys on Wednesday. Thank y'all, and pulling up to my house right now, so peace. One more thing, guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe, obviously. Help me out tremendously, grow the channel, repost everything you guys see, follow the TikTok and Instagram, that way you guys can see some clips. I usually take some clips from each episode and put them on here, so make sure you guys take a look at that, and yeah, have a good one, guys. Take care.